A student's life is full of dreams, struggles, learning, and hard work. Every student wants success, but the journey is not always easy. Behind good grades and smiling faces, there are many challenges that students face every day. A student usually wakes up early in the morning and prepare for school, college, or university. They attend classes, complete homework, prepare assignments, and study for exams. Sometimes they feel tired, but they continue because they know education is important for their future. Many students also face pressure from family, teachers, and society. Parents expect high marks, teachers expect discipline, and society expects success. Because of this pressure, students sometimes feel stressed and worried. Some students even study late at night to achieve their goals. Financial problems are another reality for many students. Some students cannot afford expensive books, tuition fees, transport. Despite difficulties, they continue studying with hope and determination. Their hard work teaches them patience and responsibility. Student life is not only about studies. It is also a time of friendship, fun, and personal growth. Students make memories with classmates, participate in sports and activities, and learn important life lessons. They discover their talents and build confidence. Failures are also part of student life. Sometimes students fail in exams or face disappointment. However, failure teaches them to become stronger and work harder. Successful people often say that failures help them learn and improve. The real life of a student is a combination of struggle and hope. A student sacrifices comfort today to build a better tomorrow. With dedication, honesty, and continuous effort, students can achieve their dreams and become successful in life. As students grow older, their responsibilities also increase. College and university life become more challenging because students must manage studies, time, future career plans together. Many students worry about choosing the right profession and achieving success in a competitive world. Some students work part-time jobs to support their education and families. They attend classes during the day and work in the evening. This routine becomes exhausting, but it teaches them independence and the value of hard work. Such students often become stronger and more responsible individuals. Technology has also changed student life. Mobile phones, the internet, and social media help students learn quickly, but they can also become distractions. Many students struggle to balance study time and entertainment. Wise students learn how to use technology for knowledge instead of wasting precious time. Another important part of student life is self-discipline. A successful student understands the importance of punctuality, respect, and consistency. Small daily habits, like attending classes regularly, completing homework on time, and staying focused, help students achieve great success in the future. Teachers also play an important role in a student's real life. A good teacher not only teaches subjects, but also inspires students to become better human beings. Encouraging words from a teacher can change a student's entire future. Students also experience emotional ups and downs. Sometimes they feel confident and motivated, while other times they feel confused or discouraged. During difficult moments, support from parents, friends, and teachers become very important. Positive guidance helps students continue moving forward. In the end, student life is one of the most valuable stages of life. The lessons learned during this time remain useful forever. The struggles, sacrifices, friendships, and experiences shape a student into a mature and successful person. A hardworking student may face difficulties today, but with patience and determination, a bright future always awaits. The moral of this story is that student life is a journey of hard work, patience, and self-growth. Success does not come easily. It requires dedication, discipline, and continuous effort. Challenges, failures, and struggles are part of life, but they make students stronger and wiser. A student who remains focused, positive, and determined can overcome difficulties and achieve a bright and successful future.